Hello friends, welcome back to Promote Health and Wellness YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Girish CM. I am an orthopedic and sports physiotherapist. Today I am going to explain about what is cervical spondylosis and what are the causes for the cervical spondylosis and what are the symptoms which normally we see it in a cervical spondylosis. And today I will be detailedly explaining about the exercise for the cervical spondylosis. Kindly watch the remaining part of the video for the exercises. Cervical spondylosis is a age-related condition where there will be wear and tear of a cervical disc around the neck region. Here there will be dehydration and shrinkage of cervical disc which develops osteoarthritis of neck region. Along with that, there will be eroding of cervical surfaces. Along with that, there will be extra growth in the surfaces area of the neck region. And cervical spondylosis commonly seen above 60 years of age. And about 85% will be affected at the age of 60 years in cervical spondylosis. And nowadays there will be early osteoarthritis even at the age of 45 years. Let us know about symptoms of cervical spondylosis. Most of the patients do not give any symptoms with respect to cervical spondylosis. If there is a symptoms, then normally patient complains of pain around the neck region and stiffness around the neck region. If the condition aggravates along with the age factor, then there will be surfaces will be reduced. The space between the surfaces will be reduced. We call it narrowing of spaces. So when there is a narrowing, if you leave it like that, there are chances of extra growth around the surfaces. We call it a spur. And there is a narrowing of spinal cord which leads to pinching on the nerves. So there are chances of pain around the arm, forearm, and there is a wrist or the fingers. If you leave it like that, then there are chances of weakness in the once again arm, forearm, wrist as well as the fingers. And there are chances of losing a balance and the coordination if you untreated. In much more worsening condition, even you might lose bowel and bladder control. Now let us know about causes for the cervical spondylosis. The first cause is degenerative disc. Normally at the age of 40, between a two vertebrae, there will be disc will be present. So this disc act as a shock absorber. When this disc start dehydrating and shrinking, so the space between the two vertebrae will reduces. When there is a reduction in the space, then there are chances of rubbing two vertebrae, which causes eroding of surfaces, which leads to pain and stiffness around the joint. Next cause is herniated disc. So between a two vertebrae, there will be disc will be present. So when we do sudden movements like this, then there is chances of disc to move backside or move laterally. So which leads to pinching on the nerve region or spinal cord, which leads to pain around the arm, forearm, wrist and the fingers. Sometimes even the weakness we can find it out in case of herniated disc. Next is bony spurs. As the disc degeneration happens, so there will be rubbing of surfaces on the vertebrae, which leads to extra growth on the surfaces region. We call it a bony spur. And the last cause is ligament tightness. When there is a ligament which supports one vertebra to another vertebra, which as the age increases, this cervical ligaments will become stiffer. Due to that, movements will become much stiffer. So you will not be able to move easily, which causes cervical stiffness and pain. Let us know about the risk factor for the cervical spondylosis. The main risk factor is age. As the age increases, there will be dehydration and shrinkage of cervical discs, which causes cervical spondylosis. The second is occupation. The repetitive activities on the cervical movements or putting a more load on the cervical region, or maybe sleeping in a pillow with many numbers, or awkward postures when you are sleeping, which causes cervical spondylosis. And the third factor is previous injuries. When there is a injuries occurs to the disc or to the surfaces of the vertebra, then there are chances of secondary to osteoarthritis or cervical spondylosis. And the fourth one is smoking. As the smoking increases, the bone calcium level decreases in the bone, which leads to early osteoarthritis. Let us start with cervical spondylosis exercises for the neck region. The first exercise is, we call it forward bending, backward bending. So here this is the forward bending. So we need to try to touch the chin to the chest region. Then slowly take it back side. Like this we should do initially 5 to 10 numbers. Then slowly side to side. So this will help to reduce the stiffness of neck movements. So initially we need to do it 5 to 10 numbers, then gradually we can progress. Another movement is the rotation. Try to touch our chin or moving towards the shoulder, then slowly to the other shoulder. So here also once again 5 to 10 numbers, initially we need to do it, then gradually we can progress according to the pain tolerance capacity. Now let us go ahead with stretching exercises for the neck region. Now the first is forward bending stretching. So here we need to bend as much as possible, then try to hold the neck like this. Initially start with 10 seconds of holding, then gradually progress to 30 seconds. Repeat for 3 to 5 times. Then slowly relax. Then slowly once again. Then slowly relax. Now side stretching. So try to pull like this. Try to touch ear to the same side shoulder. There will be stretch at the neck region, the side neck muscles. Hold it for initially 10 seconds, then gradually progress to 30 seconds. Repeat for 3 to 5 times. Now opposite side. Try to hold it for 10 seconds, progress to 13 seconds, then hold it for 3 to 5 numbers. Next is side rotation with bending. So like this we need to hold it and pull it down. Here once again there will be back of your neck muscles will get stretched. Hold it for 10 seconds, progress to 30 seconds, then repeat for 3 to 5 times. Then slowly rotation, then try to pull it. Hold it for 10 seconds, progress to 30 seconds, Then repeat for 3 to 5 times. So this is stretching exercises which will help to reduce pain as well as tightness or stiffness around the neck region. Next exercise is static exercises for the neck region. So here static means there is no movement occurs around the cervical region or the neck region. Here we are going to oppose the movement of neck region. Now I am going to hold the palm on the forehead like this and try to push to the palm and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Then repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. So like this we need to repeat 10 numbers initially. Then you can progress to 30 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now back side we need to hold it clasping the fingers, hold it at the back of your neck, then push back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is another static neck exercises. Now sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this each exercise we should do 10 numbers, holding for 5 seconds, repeat for 30 numbers. You can break it into 10 into 3 sets. Next exercise is towel exercises for the neck region. Here we need to hold it like this, then try to rotate to one side. Here give a resistance when you are doing a neck movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly to another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then gradually to other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then to other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this exercise will help to strengthen the neck region muscles. So this can be done initially 10 numbers, then gradually progress to 10 numbers into 3 sets. Next exercise is shoulder elevation. So here we need to relax our shoulders down, then try to lift it up like this and try to hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are little discomfort, you can give a break of every number. You can relax for 2 to 5 seconds. Then you can begin once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly relax. Yeah, then once again restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this need to be repeated 10 numbers. Repeat for 3 sets. So this will help to improve strengthening of trapezius muscles. Next exercise is shoulder squeeze or back muscle squeeze. Here we need to hold like this and we need to pull it back side. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will help to strengthen the upper neck muscle region. So this exercise initially you can do 10 numbers, hold for 5 seconds, then gradually progress to 10 into 3 sets. Next exercise is chin tuck exercises. Here the neck should be taken forward like this. You need to take the chin little forward, hold it for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then gradually the chin should take it back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then push it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then gradually take it back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this exercise should be repeated for 10 numbers. Then gradually progress to 10 into 3 sets, which will help to strengthen as well as relieve the stiffness of neck region. Let us know about precautions for the cervical spondylosis. The first is you need to avoid sleeping with multiple pillows. As much as possible you need to use very thin pillow or no pillow so that we will be able to maintain a good lordotic curve in the neck region. And the second one is you need to avoid awkward postures when you are sleeping. Third one is when you are working in front of a system or watching a laptop or watching a TV or a mobile, see that you should maintain a good neck control so that there won't be any injury or stress on the neck region. Next is avoid smoking. Smoking directly will cause you cervical spondylosis where absorption of calcium level decreases. Next, you need to follow regular exercises which is in the moderate way. As today I have shown you, you need to follow these exercises to cure cervical spondylosis. Thereby the pain will decreases and the stiffness will come down. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for a future notification. If there is any advice or suggestion, kindly mention in the comment box. Thank you all. Stay safe. God bless you all.